Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets. As always, in the descriptive box below, there's links to various websites if you need additional information, including one to Amazon.com that has all 12 of the best-selling books in the San Miguel de Allende's Secrets book series for sale. Today I'm going to talk a bit about what the nuns would call bothering Jesus. When I moved to the deep south, not only did I enjoy low-country breezes complete with peach-sized mosquitoes, but I was amazed at how everyone had a personal relationship with Jesus. For the indigenous of San Miguel, as well as anyone who went to Catholic school up north until, well, today, that is baffling. When the Spanish conquered folks here, they did not saddle up to the notion that God's dealt directly with humans. Instead, the newly converted were supplied with guardian angels to tell your troubles to and eventually guide you into heaven. Then there was Mary. Since the indigenous were used to women being in charge of faith, for example, the Katrina you see all over town was based on the indigenous goddess of death. Consequently, to make the new faith more acceptable, Mary, Jesus' mom, appears all over town covering a diverse range of topics from childbirth to mourning. If you want something done, it never hurts to get the boss's mom on your side. And then there were the saints, each with their own wheelhouse. Lucy covered vision, while Anthony was constantly finding lost things. Other bailiwicks included such diverse subjects as motorcycle driving, husband hunting, dogs, and baking cookies. The most popular lad in town, St. Jude, in the bottom right-hand corner, appears in most taxis as the patron for lost causes. A sobering thought when driving in Mexico. So, the indigenous and, 7-year-old me, were given a laundry list of angels, saints, and Marys to chat up before bothering Jesus. Perhaps in a life or death situation, but even then, there was St. Barbara to contact for a quick death. This baffles my brother, the Baptist minister, who chats up Jesus for things as dull as a root canal or tire rotation. In his defense, my mother was convinced he became Baptist because he was born with the cord around his neck, quote, choking off oxygen at birth and making him stupid later. Another brother, the former seminarian, would understand, but he too quit to marry a Jewess and became a traveling circus clown with the act Farmer Toone, his wife, and their kid. That was a goat. As always, feel free to click the like and subscribe buttons below and get notifications every time a new video comes out in the San Miguel de Allende's Secrets series of videos.